Sora 2 is taking over the internet right now. The videos look insanely realistic, the motion feels natural, and everyone wants to try it. But there's one frustrating problem. That moving Sora 2 watermark that keeps shifting around the video makes it almost impossible to remove cleanly. It ruins the professional look, distracts from your visuals, and makes your content feel unfinished. The good news is, I've found 2 completely free methods that can remove that watermark and still keep your video in full quality. No paid tools, no complicated software, and no loss of sharpness. Just clean, high-quality results that look like you generated them watermark-free in the first place. And here's something extra. If you stay till the end of this video, I've got a few exclusive Sora 2 invite codes to give away to some lucky viewers. So if you want your Sora 2 videos to look smooth, professional, and ready to post anywhere, stick around till the end. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let's jump right in. First, let's start by generating a few sample videos with Sora 2. To access the platform, head over to Sora.com and sign up for free. If you don't already have access, make sure to check the suggested video above, where I explain exactly how to get free invite codes. Once you're in, go ahead and create your first video. I'll begin by pasting my prompt into the prompt field, then selecting an aspect ratio. For this example, I'll choose 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and other vertical video platforms. After setting that up, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's take a quick look at the result. Pretty impressive, right? The visuals look great, and the motion feels smooth. But as you can see, the Sora 2 watermark appears all over the video, constantly moving across the frame. It's distracting and takes away from the professional feel of the clip. Now, let's move on to the first method to remove this watermark completely. Head to your browser and search for Unwatermark. Click on the first site that appears in your search results. Unwatermark is a completely free watermark removal tool that works for both images and AI-generated videos. The best part is, you don't even need to create an account to use it. Let me walk you through the process. Once you're on the website, go to the Features menu and select Video Watermark Remover. Next, click on the Upload button and choose the Sora 2 video you want to clean up. After the upload is complete, play the video to identify where the watermark appears. Now, use the Watermark Remover tool or marker to highlight every spot where the Sora 2 logo shows up throughout the video. Take your time to cover all the areas properly. When you're done marking, click Remove. After a short moment, Unwatermark will process your video and give you a clean, watermark-free result while keeping the same original quality. You can even preview the before and after versions to compare. If you're satisfied with how it looks, click the download button to save your video. Just note that with Unwatermark's free plan, you get 3 uses per day. Now, let's move on to the second method. The second tool we'll be using is MagicEraser, another reliable and completely free watermark removal website. What makes MagicEraser stand out is that it's genuinely 100% free, with no hidden costs or limitations. You also don't need to sign up or log in to access its full video editing and processing features, which makes it very quick and convenient to use. MagicEraser also supports high-resolution videos up to 4K, handles files as large as 500 megabytes, and works smoothly with most popular video formats. So, whether your Sora 2 video is short or cinematic in length, This tool can handle it with ease. Now, let's see how to use it. Once you're on the MagicEraser website, click the Upload button and select your Sora 2 video. After it finishes uploading, play the video to identify every point where the watermark appears. Use the Watermark Remover tool or marker to carefully circle each watermark location throughout the video. When you're done marking, click Remove. After a brief moment, MagicEraser will process your video and automatically remove all the Sora 2 watermarks without affecting the video's clarity or sharpness. You can preview the before and after versions to compare the results. If everything looks clean, click Download to save your watermark-free video. And that's it! You've just learned 2 simple and completely free methods to remove the Sora 2 watermark without losing any video quality. Both tools are easy to use, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your AI videos look clean, professional, and ready to share anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more powerful AI tutorials like this. Now, about those Sora 2 invite codes I mentioned earlier. If you made it all the way to this point, you're one of the lucky ones. To stand a chance of getting a free invite code, simply subscribe and tell me where you're watching from in the comments below. I'll be picking winners from the comment section, so make sure to leave yours there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.